So in case you are paying rentals, right? So there are two benefits that are available in the income tax law. First is if you are a salaried employee and you are getting a house rent allowance from your employer, then in such case you are permitted to reduce the amount of rentals paid to for hiring that premises on rent, and you are permitted to reduce that amount from your taxable salary. Of course, please note that there is a formula of the entire 40%, 60%, depending upon which city you live, metropolitan and non-metropolitan. There is a formula embedded, but what is principally means is if you are paying rentals and the rentals are huge in tier 1 cities, then for such huge rentals you are able to reduce your tax deductible income that you offer for tax to the government of India. So this is one benefit available under section 10 HRA. So only for salaried class this benefit is available. In case you are not a salaried class, you are a businessman, you are a freelancer, you are a professional, or you are not doing anything, you are a housewife, then in such case there is a benefit available under section 80GG. Or in case your employer is not paying you any house rent allowance, that is also the case, then the benefit of HRA is not available. The benefit of section 80GG is available to you. Under the provisions of 80GG, you are able to reduce your taxable income to the tune of rent paid for the year with a threshold limit of 60,000 rupees. Meaning thereby, if you have paid a rent of 1 lakh rupees per annum, then the deduction available is 60,000. If you have paid a rent of 50,000 per annum, then the deduction available is 50,000 rupees. So any amount paid as a rent or 60,000, whichever is lower, you can claim the deduction. I agree, this amount is very meager, very small. Nothing beneficial comes out of it, but government has not revised this amount for years together, because we have seen so many professionals, so many households, so many individuals not claiming this benefit of 80GG. They do not have knowledge of this section. So this benefit is available to every individual in India, any resident person. If you are not employed anywhere or not getting an HRA benefit, you can reduce your rent to the tune of 60,000 rupees from a tax deductible income. If you have a business in your residential accommodation, then you are also eligible to reduce the income of that business by all the expenses that you have incurred for the purpose of your business's profession. Let me just take a very simplistic example. You have a house, and in that house there are 4 rooms. Out of that 4 rooms, 2 rooms is what you have kept for your business premises, and 2 rooms is where you stay. The total rent of a premises is 40,000 rupees. Then in such case, proportionate residential accommodation, which is 50%, that is out of 40,000, 20,000 per month would be available as a deduction from your business income. Secondly, if you are using common, you have a common electricity meter, you have a common water meter, you have a single housemaid, and all these small expenses, you can also charge off that to your business to the extent of proportion. Now the proportion is dependent upon you, absolutely on you. If you don't believe that electricity bill is 90% what you use for your business, then of course there is no stopping. You can charge 90% of that electricity bill to your business and only 10% to your residential accommodation. So all the expenses, even your petrol, even your car depreciation, even your telephone bills, your mobile bills, your laptop expenses, any softwares that you purchase for your business, so everything is available as a deduction, including your monthly rentals, to the tune of what you have spent on your business. And this proportion is what you have to determine on a self-assessment basis.
Please like, share and comment on this video, and do not forget to subscribe to MBTV.